Welcome! If you want more control over your privacy on Snapchat, setting your location access to Ask Every Time is one of the smartest moves you can make. This way, Snapchat will only access your location when you explicitly allow it, instead of tracking it in the background without you noticing. Let's walk through how to set this up step by step. First, open your phone's settings. This is where all your device controls live, including app permissions. Once you're in settings, scroll down until you find apps, or on some devices it might be called app management. Tap on that to see the full list of apps installed on your phone. Next, scroll through the list and find Snapchat. Tap on it to open its app settings. Here you'll see various options like notifications, storage, and permissions. What we're interested in is permissions, so go ahead and tap on that. Inside the permissions menu, look for location and tap on it. This is where you can control how and when Snapchat can access your location data. Now you'll see several options depending on your device. Choose Ask Every Time.